Welcome back, guys, to another episode of MK's Kitchen. It's wing night. We got our wings, our favorite seasonings, our ingredients for our Sweet Honey Bbq Sauce, and what we'll be cleaning our chicken with today. So y'all, let's get to cleaning these little chicken wings, and let's get into today's recipe. So we have used hot water, about a cup of white distilled vinegar, and some lemon juice and some salt. We have our oven already preheating to 420 degrees. We have our baking pan that we've lined with parchment paper and we've sprayed with Pam already. So y'all, let's go ahead and get to seasoning these chicken babies. So y'all, we have cleaned our wings, we've patted them dry. We're going to take about a tablespoon of canola oil. This is going to help our seasoning stick to our chicken. So let's marinate our little chicken wings with some oil, get it all nice and shiny. Make sure everyone gets well coated. And let's get to this seasoning, y'all. So of course, as always, we're starting with our black pepper. And put as little, as much as you like. It's your wings, baby. I'm just showing you what I'm doing. We just season to taste. Next, we have our salt. It's just a little bit. We don't want it too salty. We have our parsley. And next, we're going to do some onion powder. And then we're going to take some of our smoked paprika. And y'all, my next favorite seasoning that's going to give it a little kick is this kicking chicken from Weber's Seasonings. Gives a little heat to our wings. And then y'all, this is going to give us that crispiness with that cornstarch. We're going to take about 2 tablespoons. We're going to start off with the first tablespoon. We're going to mix that in onto our chicken. Get that all nice and coated. All right, y'all, let's go in with our second tablespoon. And we're just going to coat that again. And get our little chicken wings nice and seasoned. And like I said, that cornstarch is going to help crisp it up. Of course, our seasoning going to give it flavor. We're going to give that a little toss. Oh, y'all, it's looking good. It smells good. So that's what it looks like, y'all. She nice and seasoned. They nice and seasoned. Let's go ahead and put them on our baking pan. So y'all, I've lined my flats and my drums. We're going to get ready to put it into our nice and hot 420 degree oven. And we're going to let them cook on both sides for about 20 minutes. We'll be right back. So while our chicken is cooking, let's get into the ingredients for this Sweet Honey Bbq Sauce, y'all. So we have about 2 tablespoons of butter. We're gonna get that nice and melted. And when your butter is about nice and melted, let's pull out that barbecue sauce. We got Sweet Baby Rays today. And we're going to use about half of the bottle of barbecue sauce. Get us a nice squirts in there. We're going to take some ketchup. Get you a good gulp of ketchup out of that bottle there. Then we're going to take our honey. Another nice gulp. Come out the bottle. And y'all, then we're going to take about half of a cup of brown sugar. And we're going to stir that on together, y'all. Mix those ingredients. crush up that brown sugar. We have our skillet kind of on medium, so you don't want it too hot and burn up our sauce here. But y'all, little hint, we're gonna add some of that kicking chicken also in our sauce to give it a little heat as well. This is a really good ingredient to add, y'all. So we're gonna just keep stirring all those ingredients together, and we're just gonna let it simmer. And you'll know when it's simmering, it'll start bubbling up a little bit. But y'all, this sauce right here, it's a fan favorite. So y'all, this is our chicken after 20 minutes. We are going to get ready to flip it on the other side. You can see it's already starting to be a little crispy. You can see that golden brown coming through from that oil and that cornstarch. Whoo, y'all, this chicken. Y'all, it's gonna be good. I promise you it's gonna be good. Be careful because it will get stuck to your parchment paper and you will have to struggle just a little bit, y'all, but that's okay. They're letting you know that skin get nice and tender. So we're gonna put these back in the oven for another 20 minutes, y'all. And you can see our sauce is simmering. It's nice and bubbly. Woo! Y'all, that honey barbecue. I'm telling y'all gonna be licking y'all fingers. Y'all gonna want to eat all the wings in the bowl. I'm trying to tell y'all. It's so good, it's so good, it's so good. So y'all, it has been another 20 minutes. Look at our chicken wings. That oil and that starch got it crispy, baby. You can see that skin is nice and golden. It's still sizzling a little bit. It looks so good, y'all. You see a little bit of that seasoning. Y'all gonna love these wings, y'all. Y'all gonna love them. I'm trying to tell you. But y'all, let's get our wings ready to be sauced down with our honey barbecue sauce, y'all. So here is our sweet honey barbecue sauce. We're gonna pour that on in there. You want to do this while the wings are still hot. That way the sauce will stick to your wings and they'll be well coated. So y'all, after we pour the rest of our sauce in here, we're going to give it a little toss. Make sure everybody get a bit of that sauce. So let's toss it up, y'all. Let's toss it up. They're so pretty, y'all. They're so pretty. Woo! That golden brown, that seasoning, that smell, that honey. Ooh, y'all, it's another MK's Kitchen favorite. Let's get one of these little wings so y'all can see what I'm talking about up close. Ooh, my favorite, the flats. Y'all can have them legs. I like the flats. But I'll give y'all a little leg action. Let's see what it's looking like. She pretty too. Well, y'all, I really hope y'all enjoyed this recipe. This has been another episode of MK's Kitchen. It's wing night. And you know, most of us love a good wing. And especially a good sauce, because that's what makes a good wing. But y'all, I will see y'all next time. Bye.